What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm excited to showcase my new property investment. Now, with this project, I didn't actually have time to film our usual walkthrough videos just because it was quite a quick purchase and turnaround time in terms of the legals finishing and basically getting the builders in literally the day after legals. So what I thought is that we'll do a kind of quick sit down video like this where I'm going to walk you through the actual house and show you what the plan is for this HMO. So this house is currently a 3-bedroom terrace house, which we're going to be converting into a 6-bedroom HMO. As you guys can see from the video, it is very dated. It was previously a probate, which basically means the owner has passed away and now his family wanted to sell the house so that they can kind of take the money and, who knows, maybe go off on a fancy holiday or do whatever they want to do with the money, which also meant for us we were able to pick it up for a really good price. So I actually bought this house for 200,000. It was originally on the market for 250 and they actually dropped it to 230, and then we agreed on a price of 200,000. As you guys can see, the house is really dated and needs a lot of work to be done to it. So we're going to be completely ripping out all the old furnitures and fixtures and going completely back to brick, installing new electrics, plumbing, and basically doing our usual high-end finish to get the maximum value out of this property. So in this space, you guys will be able to see it. This is just an open space which we're going to actually convert into the communal kitchen. And then just off of this area, there's also a downstairs kind of not utility area, but more kind of like a toilet and bathroom, which didn't look like it had been used. But we're going to build a 3-meter extension onto that area, and that space is also going to become a nice bedroom. When we go upstairs, again, there's still a lot of work to be done, and there's a lot of kind of like unique jazzy elements in the flooring. I don't really know what was going on with this person and the flooring in the house, but each room seems to have its own different unique floor, which is quite strange. But I feel like that's what you get with some of these old terrace houses, these unique kind of quirky elements, which must have been cool back then, but are just not like a vibe right now. So in terms of the first floor, what we're going to be doing is quite similar to our Mayor's Walk project, where we're going to be taking a room that's at the back of the house and a room that's in the middle of the house, and we're going to form them into one big studio room. Now, usually the reason for doing this is that I found out the room at the back is never big enough for a double room, and the room in the middle can fit a double, but it's usually quite a small double once you put an ensuite in. But if you actually connect the two rooms, it actually becomes a very big, desirable room and really creates what we want as a kind of 1-bed flat, as opposed to just a normal ensuite room. Then if we move forward to the front of the house, you guys will see that we're going to do a standard conversion of ripping this space out completely and put an ensuite, modernizing it. And of course, to finish off the refurb, we're going to be going into the loft. You guys know I do love a good loft conversion. This just really helps to add the maximum value that we can to this HMO. Once works have done, we've already actually had a pre-valuation report done of 520,000, but this is kind of based on quite low rental expectations. We're hoping for much higher, so who knows, come the end of the refurb we could get a much higher GDV. Fingers crossed. But yeah, guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be uploading more progress updates on my Instagram at SRG, so make sure you follow that for all the progress updates there. If you did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.